Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Java JDK on your computer. So without wasting any time, the first thing that we want to do is to check if you already have it. So here down in the search bar, type cmd or start typing command prompt and open the command prompt and type this command java space -version. And if you don't have Java installed on your computer, you will see this message here: Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. That basically means that you don't have Java JDK installed. And one more thing that we want to do here is type Java C, which is the command that we use to compile our Java files. Java C space -version, and you will see the same message here, which means that you don't have Java JDK installed. Okay, so what we want to do now is to go to your browser. I'm using Chrome, and I'm going to type Java JDK download, and the first page that I see is by oracle.com. I want to click here. I will also paste this link in the description of the video. Now on this page we see that the latest version of Java is SE 14.0.1. If we scroll down, we will see that the Java SE 11 is the long-term support version. Down below we see also this version, Java SE 8U251, but what we want to install is the latest version, which is Java SE 14.0.1. So I'm going to click here on JDK download. And on this page, you want to scroll down a little bit and to find the Windows x64 installer. And we want the executable file. So the .exe, not the zip file, but we want the executable file. So find the Windows 64 installer and click on the .exe file. Check this thing right here where I say that I reviewed and accept the Oracle basically terms and conditions, and download the JDK. Okay, this will take a few seconds to download. Okay, now the JDK is downloaded. I'm going to click on it. Now the installation will begin. I'm clicking next. This will be the default folder where the Java JDK will be installed. I suggest that you keep the default folder. Don't change it if you don't have any reason to do so. After that, click next. Now it's being installed. And finally we get this message that the Java SE development kit was successfully installed. If I click close now, I will go to the location where I installed the JDK, which was C, program files, Java, and I have the JDK folder here with the version that I have installed. But by the time I'm making this video, the latest version is 14.01, but for you probably it will be a newer version. So when I open this JDK folder, I see this bin folder inside of it, and this will be the important folder for you. In the bin folder you have all the Java files. The next step now is to set this bin folder as our environment variable, so we can run all the Java commands from the command prompt. So click here on the top to take the path to the bin folder, copy this, So what we want to do now is to click on the Windows button. After that, click on Settings. The next thing is to click on System and start typing Environment. And click on the Edit the System Environment Variables. You will see this screen, System Properties, and now click on Environment Variables. This is where you add your environment variables for Java. Now what we want to do is to add our environment variable. So I'm going to find here path. You need to find this path environment variable and click Edit. And we want to add here on this row the path to the bin folder. So I'm going to paste it here. The path to the bin folder. So C program files Java JDK 14.0.1/bin. And I'm going to click OK. Now this environment variable is set. The next thing that we want to do now is to create a new environment variable for Java Home. So click here on New, and on the variable name type Java _home, all in capital letters, and the value will be the path up to this JDK folder. So you're not inside of the bin folder, you're inside of the JDK folder. Take this path and paste it as a value for the variable. Okay, so you have variable name Java _home with capital letters, and the variable value is the path to the JDK folder. Click OK, and you see that now we have the Java Home variable. Click OK, and close all of the windows. Also close the command prompt. If you have open command prompt, close it. We want to close everything and start from fresh now. And we want to open the command prompt again. You can start typing command prompt or CMD. Open it, and now we are going to check all the Java commands. Now we are going to check first the Java version. So we are going to type Java space hyphen version, and you can see that now we have Java version 14.0.1 installed. If you see the version here, for you it might be a newer version by the time you're watching this video. But if you see the Java version here, it means that the Java is installed and everything is fine. Everything is perfect actually. You see also the Java Runtime Environment was installed with this JDK, so you don't have to install the JRE separately. The Java Runtime Environment was also installed. The next thing that we want to check is Java C version, which is the command that we use to compile Java files. And if you see the version here, it means that it was installed, and that's what you want to see basically. You don't want to see some message that says that you don't have the Java installed. You want to see the version and everything is fine. Now if we want to see that the environment variable for the Java Home is set properly, we want to type here echo %, Java _home with capital letters and %, again. This is the name of our environment variable, the Java Home environment variable. So echo %, Java Home %. And after you press enter, you will see the path to the JDK, where the JDK is installed. So everything that you need is working now, and you can work with Java and Java related programs. I hope that this video was useful for you, and I will see you in the next one.